Good morning, you guys. We are driving to work for shift 1 of 2. I am bedside for these 2 shifts, which I am stoked about because I've done charge the last several shifts, so I'm ready for a little breaky break. I recorded how to do this hairstyle this morning. So I'm not sure what I will post first, that one or this video, but nonetheless, be on the lookout. I get asked questions all the time about how I do my hair or my makeup or my skincare, and I'm trying to share more and more of that stuff because I know it can be helpful to see, I don't know, just how people do things. And it's fun for me to share, but I know it's not kind of my normal content. I always have a hard time posting it because whenever I post things that are a little outside of my niche, so to speak, they don't tend to do as well, but I still really enjoy making the videos. We're just gonna focus on that. One hard thing about being a content creator is you are constantly creating content, and I have been doing nursing social media since 2015, so over 9 years now, and so you can imagine that's a lot of nursing videos. I wouldn't say it's hard to come up with content ideas, it's more so just hard to keep making things different and unique and stay up with the algorithm and all that. But I would consider myself a pretty creative person, and I like creating and I like crafting and DIYing and just constantly using that artistic side of my brain. And I love that nursing is kind of sciencey but also very artistic, and so content creating, nurse content, can be both things. I don't know if I've told the story recently about how I actually got onto social media in 2015 and started making nursing content. I know the story's out there somewhere, but I thought it'd be fun to tell here. Long story short, I was in nursing school. It was spring break of 2015 and I had a week off of school, and I was like, I am so bored because I just went from being super busy at school and work and all that to nothing basically for a week. And so I was like, well, why not just start a YouTube channel? And so I made a YouTube channel and I was sharing all types of videos. I was doing hair, makeup, tons of different things, but I made one video on how to survive nursing school, and that video got a couple hundred views compared to my other videos that got barely any views. And I was like, oh, that's interesting. And I was actually at the time talking to Nurse Bass. He's still out there on social media, but we used to do a lot more content-y type of stuff together. He actually said, your nursing videos seem to do better than everything else. Why don't you just focus on nursing videos? And I kind of took it offensively at first because I was like, I am a very creative person. There's a lot of different things about me that I would like to share with other people. I don't want to focus on one thing. But he was like, people come and subscribe to you for a reason. So they want to know that they're getting that same type of content. And I was like, oh, that makes sense. I just gave it a try. I was like, it can't hurt. If I want to go back to making my other videos, I can. And from there, my social media just slowly took off and grew. I wouldn't say that I had astronomical growth period. I feel like I've just consistently grown over the years, and I've been doing it for 9 years. So this hasn't been an overnight sensation for me. But I do really enjoy it, and I like that it allows me to be home with my kids more. I like that I can use my brain in a different way, and I still get to do bedside nursing, but I don't have to work 3, 4, 5 shifts a week. I can work 1 or 2 shifts a week and have that better work-life balance. I feel very lucky, and truly it's because of the people that follow me. Thank you guys for following me and staying along. Whether you're a new follower or someone that's been an OG from the YouTube days, thank you. I am at work, so wish me luck. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope I have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.